Now, I am telling you how to calculate depreciation rate under diminishing balance method, written down value method. So, we are calculating here rate, we are calculating. So, rate of depreciation we are calculating. Formula I am writing 1 minus nth root scrap value by cost of asset into 100. So this is the formula. Now I take one example. N is my 4 years example. Life is 4 years. I am taking life is 4 years. Scrap value 10,000 rupees. Example. Cost of asset example 1,60,000 into 100. Okay na? Now to calculate this one you can use a logarithm book, but in the examination logarithm will not be given to you and you are also not allowed to carry the logarithm. Then we can solve this through using a formula. This formula is basically use a unique formula like this to you. I write that formula S D A M S. S dams. S means press, square root, then amount. Later press square root for 15 times. Next one, subtract 1. Next one, divide by life. In our example, life is here 4 years. So you can here divide by life 4 years. A. Add 1. Add 1. Here 15 times common for any problem. Subtract 1 is common for any problem. Here divide as given in the problem. Add 1 is common for every problem. Now M. Multiply and equal to, that is X and is equal to press 15 times. 15 times you have to press. Into is equal to. Here you have to press only square root. Here you have to press, see my pen. Here press square root for 15 times. Okay na? But here you press into and is equal to. Into is equal to 15 times. Yes. Now here 1 minus this result. So this result you store in the M plus. In the calculator you have M plus, you store in this one. Okay na? You store in this one. Then your screen will be blank. Then 1 minus you press this MRC. MRC means memory recall. First what you did, M plus memory stored. Next one here for this S, for this S, 1 minus this MRC into 100. Then you'll get answer. 1 minus above value into 100. Then you will get answer. Okay na? Now I do the same in the calculator. Please see here. Calculator, see. What I am doing here, calculator. First I am pressing square root. See, I am pressing square root. Okay. 10,000. Sorry. 10,000 divided by 1,60,000. So you'll get 0.625. First what I did, I press the square root. Then 10,000 divided by 1,60,000. 10,000 divided by 1,60,000. Now what you do next one, and see, and what you have to do next one, later press square root for 15 times. Now I am pressing square root for 15 times. See, before you press the square root, you have 0.0625. Now I am pressing square root button only 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After pressing the 15 times, you have 0.999, okay, 4 nines, 1 5 3 9 0 88. Next what I said, subtract 1. Now I am subtracting 1 minus 1. Now press is equal to is common. Okay na? You will have this value. Okay na? After subtracting, you will have this value. Next one, divide by life. In our problem, life is how much? 4 years. Now after pressing 4 years, you'll get 0.000021215228. Next, what is the common one? Add 1. So I am adding 1. Again press is equal to. You will get 9999788772. Then what have to do? Into is equal to 15 times. I am pressing into and is equal to 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after pressing 15 times, into and is equal to, this will be displayed in your screen. Okay na? The next one, what I said, so before subtracting 1, the above value, you store in the M plus. I am storing the M plus. What value I am storing? This value 0.50001084657. This value I am storing in the M plus. Press M plus. Now what I do? 1 minus, see, 1 minus, now memory recall, MRC, memory recall, MRC. I am pressing MRC. Now is equal to, you will get this value. After 1 minus MRC, you will get this value. Now into 100, we want percentage na, into 100. You will get 49.99. 49.99 means, you know very well, answer is 50%. Answer is 50%. 49.99. Okay na? So I do one thing, auto reply. Now into is equal to over. I am stored in the m plus 1. In my memory recall, into 100 is equal to, answer is 49.99. That is equal to 50%. Thank you. This method you have to apply for the written down value method only. In the examination, this you have to do in the calculator. Your scientific calculator may support, may not support. Please don't use the scientific calculator. For all commerce students, please use any calculator of the commerce calculator only you have to use. Don't use your scientific calculator. Results may changes. Thank you. Bye bye.